First, make sure your Willo AutoFlo Plus is on a flat surface near a sink. Plug the cord into the back of the unit. Then plug the power cord into an outlet. You'll see the display panel light up. Next, use the suction cup to position the drain hose into the sink. Remove the water tank from the AutoFlo Plus, lift the lid, and fill it with fresh water to the top fill line. Close the lid and return it to the device. Insert the custom bottle cap onto the Willo toothpaste. Remove the cleaning bottle from the device, pulling from the bottom first. Then, insert the top of the Willo toothpaste into the device and snap the bottom into place. Next, remove the handle cap and insert the lip rest and the OptiClean brush head onto the handle. Be sure to prime your Willo before brushing to ensure that toothpaste runs through smoothly. Point the handle into the sink and long press the bottom display button for 3 seconds. The display will turn green when priming. A small amount of liquid will be released. Now you're ready to start brushing.